this is Mabel again, and today we are making some chocolate mousse. Now, first, our ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of dark chocolate, or if you want to make this sweeter, milk. 25 grams of butter, a pinch of salt, 3 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You get some chocolate, today dark chocolate, and we're going to break it into little bits. Now we need 100 grams of this. It's going to be break it into squares like this. It's a good size. And we need our 25 grams of butter as well here to add in. And now we're going to put this into the microwave. We're going to take it out every 10 seconds just to check on it until it is melted. Hi guys, I'm back and we have got our chocolate and butter all lovely and melted, all lovely and smooth. It's like this, so delicious. Now we are going to do our eggs now, so we need to move this to the side and we're going to get our eggs here, and we've got a bowl for our whites here. I've already done a few of my whites and yolks. I don't know if you can see that. Can't see that well at the moment. There is our eggs. And these are our yolks here. So we're going to crack our final egg now. Just going to get it cracked. Now you won't just say whilst we're cracking. You want to make sure that your bowl for your... Okay everyone, we have had a minor accident, but thankfully it's all sorted out. We have fished our egg yolk out of the whites and it is into the egg yolk bowl. Now, with our whites, we move our yolks to the side, get them out of the way, and it is time to whisk our egg whites. So we're just going to get our whisk here, and you need to whisk them until they're into stiff peaks. So let's go. Okay, we have done our egg whites now, so let's have a look. They are all nice with their stiff peaks. Oh, let's fingers crossed hope it works if I put it over my head. Yes! Oh my goodness! Phew, that worked. Okay, now we're going to put our egg whites to the side now and swap them for our egg yolks and our chocolate. Now these two are going to go together. So we need to make sure that our egg yolks are nice and mixed together, just like this. So that's good, and our chocolate is all melted and also nice and mixed together like this. So we're now going to add in our egg yolks bit by bit. So we're going to start by doing a small spoonful, putting that in, and then we're going to do a little mix around. So I've done all my chocolate now. It's all quite thick and gloopy, as you can see. It takes a bit of time to get off the spoon. And now we're going to add in a pinch of salt. Now we can't really do a pinch on this, so we're just going to do a tiny little shake. So we're going to oh my god, I got loads on my hand there. I'm going to put a bit on my hand, but not a bit. And then just put that on, and we're going to mix that around. So we've added in our salt now. Your mixture should be nice and thick, but not too grainy or anything. Now we're going to put our chocolate to the side for a minute because we need to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar to our egg white before mixing the chocolate and the egg whites together. So we're going to get a big pack of sugar here. Now you can have absolutely whatever sugar you want, but we're using caster sugar here. And we want our tablespoon here. So we're going to add it in one by one and then fold it together. Got flies in here. And then, so yeah, let's delve deep into this bag and get out a tablespoon of sugar. Just getting out that tablespoon to sort of add it out evenly into our egg white. Okay, so now that we've added in our egg yolks and salt to our chocolate, Just like this. It should be nice and thick. Now it's time to add it into our lovely and smooth egg whites here. Now before we get started, I'd like to say when you're doing your folding, you want to make sure you've got a spatula and that your movement is just going round like that and folding over. We're getting a bit and folding over like that. Now we need to do this a spoonful at a time. Okay, so now that we mix our chocolate and eggs white together, we've got our delicious little mousse. And here we have 4 cups to put our mousse in. So we've got 4 in case we have lots, but we might not need to use them. Okay, so we have left our mousse in the fridge for an hour or 2. So you can leave yours in the fridge for as long as you need, but I recommend about an hour or 2 like we did. So we've also decorated ours a bit and it looks super cool. So here's the finished results. And this is our mousse. So we put here, got a little golden strawberry. Tilt it a bit here, you can see we've got a flower, putting some little golden powder there. Looks very golden and shiny. So if you want to make your own mousse, simply follow these instructions and you can make this delicious mousse.